Is that him? There's a guy that just climbed the fence over ahead of us.
Only vehicle's going to be a white 4 Taurus. Going to be at
I'm just going to approach this way.
Going west on Lockwood, about to get the 610 entrance ramp.
Alright, you see where that red sign is? Yeah. He was climbing the fence.
Okay,
right
hold
there.
on a second. Okay, and you have it on a 4 Taurus that's white in color, right?
That's there, man. We're still 610 westbound.
Starting on the Echo 1733.
1709, I'm listening. 1709 to dispatch. Ma'am, do we have any units available for a perimeter at all? Or is it just going to be that unit? 7C41 Adam, I'm coming up behind that. Marty.
There he is. There he is. Hey! Sir! Keep your hands up! Show us your hands! In the gray shirt!
And try and pull them over if you think.
Hey!
Relax!
Hey! Relax! Drop the weapon! Drop the weapon! We got a suspect with a weapon! Drop it! Drop it! Right now! Drop the weapon! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Alright, that's clear. 807. I'm going to start handling weight. Any unit that can clear, send me a message.
Alright, I'm in the ditch. I got eyes on the bottom of the truck. Is that him?
I don't know.
The guy that just
Yeah, we'll walk it.
Drop it! Drop it! I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold. Don't stay. Y'all get cover. I'm holding him right now. Okay, just hold. Hey, I think he's down. Hold up. Let us have the air. We're gonna need a shield. We have one suspect down. As of right now, he's down in the back of the bed of the truck. We need shields to approach him. Right now, he's down. Everybody's okay. Let us just get some shields and some people over here.
Is that black truck?
Yeah, it's gonna be the here. There's the gate, but it's open.
Okay.
So we'll have you with the shield.
Yeah.
Have you go with them.
Yep.
I want to make sure we have the port people. So we'll just have them go. Okay. You guys want to do it? You guys can close that. Stop.
Let's keep on.
We're just warming up there. We're gonna need someone to park over there. But okay, once we get the shield up, let's go ahead and start approaching. If you want to render aid. Yep.
I'm gonna hold that driver's side window. Okay, once we get up there, I'm just gonna pin the shield right on that window.
Yep. It should be in the truck.
All right, let's slow down. In front.
Okay, I see him. Yeah, he's down right here. He's not gonna be
Wait. Oh, I see him. Okay. All right. Yeah, let me go. Yeah, let's see if he moves a little bit.
Suspect! Suspect! Put your hands up! No response, no response.
Let's keep pushing. Do not reach, you will get shot again!
Ankle clear.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold right here. I got your coverage. All right, let's grab him by the feet and just drag him down the hood.
Sir!
Once he gets on the ground, just throw him face down, handcuff him.
Yes. Ready?
Yeah, just drop him. Just get him down, get him down.
Oh, sorry.
All right. Yeah, you're good.
Arm, head wound.
All right, I think we're good on cuffs. Suspect's down. Let's go ahead and check for a pulse.
No pulse. Anybody in the house?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep eye on this door right here.
There's a camera too,
There's a unit A and a B. So.
No pulse, right?
I don't feel anything. Somebody come double check. I don't feel a pulse.
No rise and fall of the chest, no pulse. That's it.
Okay.